There was a problem with the server 400 error on the YouTube app. To tackle this issue, let's first check that our YouTube app is up to date. For that, go to the Play Store and search for YouTube. And you need to make sure that the app is up to date. If your app is not up to date, you will see an update section here, and you just click on it and the app will auto update. After your app becomes updated, you click on open and see if the error persists or not. The other way to do is, if this doesn't work, don't worry, go to the settings, and under the settings go to apps. Now search for Google Play Services and go to storage. Here you can clear either cache or clear data, and this should fix your problem. Go back to YouTube to check if the error is still showing, and this should work smoothly. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative contents.